What if the energy flowing through you right now is more powerful than you've ever imagined? Close your eyes for a moment. Feel that subtle vibration beneath your skin, the invisible current that moves through every cell, every thought, every breath. Most people walk through life never understanding the incredible energy system they inhabit. They're like travelers carrying a magnificent compass, yet never learning how to read its directions. Energy isn't some mystical concept reserved for gurus on mountaintops. It's your birthright. It's the raw, untapped potential that resides within you this very second. Imagine being able to consciously direct this energy, to understand its rhythms, its pulses, its intricate language. What if you could become the conductor of your own internal orchestra, transforming not just your inner landscape, but the very reality around you? Today, we're going to shatter the illusion that energy control is complicated or reserved for the chosen few. This isn't about complicated rituals or years of monastic training. This is about practical, immediate techniques that can reconnect you with your most fundamental power source, yourself. Are you ready to learn the first steps? To move beyond mere curiosity and into genuine understanding? The journey of 1,000 transformations begins with a single breath, a single intention, a single moment of awareness. In this exploration of energy control, we're opening a gateway to understanding a profound yet accessible aspect of human potential. What you're about to learn isn't just another self-help technique. It's a transformative approach to understanding your innate energetic capabilities. Energy isn't some abstract concept floating in the spiritual realm. It's a tangible, dynamic force that moves through you, around you, and within every aspect of your existence. Think of it like an invisible network, connecting your thoughts, emotions, physical body, and the world beyond. Most people move through life unaware of this intricate energy system, like sailors navigating without understanding the currents beneath their ship. But you're different. By choosing to learn about energy control, you're taking the first courageous step toward mastering a skill that can fundamentally reshape your experience of reality. This video will guide you through practical techniques that aren't about mystical mumbo-jumbo, but real, actionable methods to tune into your body's energetic frequencies. We'll uncover simple yet powerful strategies that can help you understand the subtle language of your internal energy, release blockages that drain your vitality, cultivate a sense of inner balance and harmony, connect more deeply with your intuitive wisdom. These aren't just techniques. They're keys to unlocking a more conscious, intentional way of living. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with prior experience in spiritual practices, you'll find insights that can revolutionize your understanding of personal energy. Prepare to challenge what you think you know. Prepare to see yourself and your potential in an entirely new light. The understanding of human energy isn't a new discovery. Ancient civilizations across the globe, from the yogis of India to the shamanic traditions of indigenous cultures, have long recognized the intricate energy systems that flow through human beings. In Eastern traditions, this energy has been known by many names. The Chinese call it qi or qi, the vital life force that moves through meridians in our body. In Sanskrit, it's prana, the fundamental energy that animates all living things. These aren't just philosophical concepts, but carefully observed systems of understanding human potential that have existed for thousands of years. Consider the ancient Chinese medical practices of acupuncture, which map out specific energy pathways in the human body. Or the yogic traditions of India that developed complex breathing techniques to manipulate and control internal energy. These weren't mere spiritual practices, but sophisticated systems of understanding human consciousness and vitality. Quantum physics has begun to provide a scientific lens that aligns with these ancient wisdom traditions. Researchers are discovering that what we perceive as solid matter is actually a complex web of energy and information. Our bodies are not static objects, but dynamic energy systems constantly interacting with the world around us. Pioneers like Barbara Brennan, a former NASA physicist turned energy healer, bridged the gap between scientific understanding and energetic awareness. Her groundbreaking work demonstrated how our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs directly impact our energetic field. Other researchers like Dr. Valerie Hunt have conducted extensive scientific studies on human energy fields, providing empirical evidence for what spiritual traditions have known for millennia. But this isn't about living in the past. It's about recognizing a timeless wisdom that's more relevant now than ever before. In a world of constant stimulation, information overload, and disconnection, understanding our energy becomes a powerful tool for personal transformation. The techniques we'll explore aren't relics of ancient wisdom. They're living, breathing practices that can help you navigate the complexities of modern life. They're about reclaiming your innate ability to understand, direct, and harmonize your internal energy. At the heart of energy control lies a fundamental truth. You are not just a physical body, but a dynamic energy system with remarkable potential for transformation. Think of your energy as a sophisticated network, more complex than any technological system, more intelligent than any computer, and uniquely yours. Energy control isn't about forcing or manipulating. It's about understanding, listening, and gently guiding the subtle currents that move through your being. Imagine your energy as a river. You're not trying to stop the water, but learning how to navigate its flow, understanding its natural movements and rhythms. Let's break down the core principles of energy control. First, awareness is your primary tool. Most people live disconnected from their internal landscape, like residents of a magnificent house who never explore beyond the first room. Energy control begins with simple, profound attention. It's about feeling the subtle vibrations in your body, recognizing the difference between tension and flow, understanding how your thoughts create ripples in your energetic field. Your body is constantly communicating. Every emotion leaves an energetic imprint. Stress creates knots and blockages. Joy opens channels. Fear contracts your energy, while love expands it. These aren't metaphorical statements. They're literal descriptions of your energetic reality. Practical energy control involves 3 key elements. 1. Breath awareness. Your breath is the bridge between your conscious and unconscious energy systems. It's not just about breathing in and out, but about conscious, intentional respiration that can instantly shift your energetic state. 2. Emotional recognition. Learning to identify and process emotions without getting trapped in them. Each emotion is energy in motion. When you learn to observe without judgment, you gain the ability to guide your internal state. 3. Intentional focus. Your attention is the most powerful tool you possess. Where you place your focus, your energy follows. This isn't magical thinking, it's a practical skill of redirecting your internal resources. Consider the teachings of energy masters like Paramahansa Yogananda or more contemporary figures like Eckhart Tolle. They've consistently pointed to one revolutionary idea. You are not your thoughts, not your emotions, but the awareness behind them. Energy control is about expanding that awareness. This isn't about achieving a perfect state of perpetual bliss. It's about becoming fluid, resilient, and responsive. It's about understanding that you have the capacity to reset your internal system, just like you might restart a computer. The most profound revelation? You already have everything you need. These techniques aren't about acquiring something external, but recognizing and activating what's already within you. What does it truly mean to be in control of your energy? This isn't about manipulation or force, but about a deeper, more intimate understanding of your inner landscape. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel the subtle vibrations running through your body. Each sensation tells a story of past experiences, of unprocessed emotions, of unexpressed potential. Your energy is a living, breathing narrative that you're constantly writing. Imagine your energy as a mirror reflecting not just what you see on the surface, but the depths of your consciousness. What are the stories you've been carrying? What patterns of thought and emotion have been running unconsciously through your system? Control isn't about perfection. It's about presence. It's about developing the courage to look inward with compassion, to witness your internal world without judgment. Each blockage, each moment of tension is an opportunity for understanding. Think about the moments in your life when you felt truly alive, when your energy felt expansive, effortless, connected. What was different in those moments? What shifted in your internal landscape? We often think of energy as something that happens to us. But what if you're the creator of your energetic experience? What if every thought, every breath is an invitation to reshape your internal world? This journey isn't about becoming something else. It's about returning to your most authentic self, the version of you that exists beneath layers of conditioning, fear, and societal expectations. Ask yourself these profound questions. What am I holding onto that no longer serves me? Where do I feel disconnected from my true potential? What would it mean to truly trust my internal guidance system? The most radical act of self-love is learning to listen to your body, to your emotions, to the whispers of your deepest wisdom. Energy control is a practice of radical self-compassion. It's about creating space to feel, to heal, to transform. It's about recognizing that you are not broken, but constantly evolving. Are you ready to continue our exploration? Would you like me to proceed with the next section? Practical energy control isn't about achieving a mystical state of perfection. It's about developing a living, breathing relationship with your internal landscape. The techniques we'll explore are simple yet profound tools that can be integrated into your daily life. Let's start with a fundamental practice: breath awareness. This isn't complicated meditation. It's about creating a moment of connection with yourself. 3 simple techniques for immediate energy shift. 1. The grounding breath. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply into your belly. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine into the earth. Feel the energy moving through your body, stabilizing and clearing. 2. Emotional release technique. Identify where you feel emotional tension in your body. Place your hand on that area. Breathe slowly and deliberately. Acknowledge the emotion without judgment. Visualize the emotion as a color or energy moving out of your body. 3. Energy reset protocol. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Take 3 deep breaths. Shake out your hands and body. Imagine clearing away any stagnant energy. Set a clear, positive intention for your day. The magic isn't in perfecting these techniques. It's in consistent, gentle practice. Think of it like learning a musical instrument. You're not trying to play a complex symphony immediately. You're learning to feel the instrument, to understand its nuances. These practices offer immediate benefits: reduced stress and anxiety, increased emotional clarity, enhanced intuition, greater sense of inner calm, improved ability to navigate challenging situations. Remember, your energy is not something external. It's your most intimate personal technology. You're learning to become the conscious creator of your internal experience. We've traveled together through an extraordinary exploration of energy control, from understanding its fundamental principles to discovering practical techniques that can transform your inner world. But knowledge without application is just information. The real magic happens when you choose to practice, to experiment, to listen to the subtle language of your own energy. This isn't the end of your journey. It's the beginning. Each breath is an invitation. Each moment a chance to reconnect, to reset, to rediscover the incredible potential that resides within you. I challenge you now. Choose one technique from today's exploration. Practice it consistently for the next 7 days. Notice the subtle shifts. Pay attention to how your perception changes, how your internal landscape begins to transform. Your energy is your most powerful resource. It's time to become its conscious steward. If this resonated with you, share your experiences in the comments below. What did you discover? What surprised you? Your insights might be the catalyst for someone else's transformation. Hit the subscribe button to continue this journey of self-discovery. More techniques, deeper explorations, and powerful insights are coming. Remember, you are not just experiencing energy. You are energy experiencing itself.